Hi friends, I'm David Graham with David's Cane Machines and the founder of the original TuboBiz companies. I want to cover a subject today about sugarcane that is confusing a lot of people in the marketplace. And this has to do with, should you peel or not peel your sugarcane? Because when you see a lot of my demo videos, most of them, the vast majority, we are peeling the sugarcane and juicing it out. And so a lot of people think either my machines only work with peeled sugarcane or that they must peel their sugarcane in order to make sugarcane juice. Okay, so I want to cover briefly here that subject. Should you peel or not peel the sugarcane? Okay, when it comes to just straight nutrition, all right, sugarcane, when washed properly with the skin on it, has a higher nutritional value than sugarcane that is peeled. And some of those things that you get more nutrients in are the live enzymes that are in the skin, the polyphenols that are contained in the skin, the fiber that is in the skin of the sugarcane, and there are some additional volumes of minerals, etc., that are in the skin. Okay, so if you peel the skin off, you will be removing some of the fiber that will get through the filters into the juice. You will be removing some of the polyphenol content. So polyphenols are the part of the sugarcane, in simple talk, that are the anti-cancer. Okay, polyphenols in fruit are the part of fruits that help our bodies to fight cancer. The polyphenols in sugarcane namely help with breast and prostate cancer. Specifically, they tend to work really good to either prevent or to help people that are suffering from those conditions. Okay, so after saying that, you're probably going to think, wow, well, why peel the sugarcane? Okay, the reason that sugarcane is peeled in Southeast Asia, for example, I'm in Vietnam, or many people in the Philippines or Malaysia, Indonesia, quite a few Indians, etc., Thai, Cambodians, they mostly peel their sugarcane. So why do they do that if there's more nutrient content? Okay, there's a few reasons for that. Many of you have seen pictures of sugarcane, and when it is in the field, it doesn't look like this, right? The sugarcane, very few varieties come out looking beautiful like this. This cane has been washed, and I even put a little vegetable oil on this cane before I took this photo, okay? And so the cane that comes out of the field, depending on the variety, usually it has a really dirty look to it. There's field residues, dust, and some wax on the skin that is natural wax, sugarcane wax. And this wax turns black. It looks really, really bad, okay? But there are some varieties of sugarcane. Any of you that have seen, for example, the Malaysian egg cane, they call it egg tebu or tebu egg, which means Malaysian egg cane. This sugarcane, when it grows, it is beautiful. It looks like somebody washed it in the field. And so if you have sugarcane that is really dirty looking from the field, sometimes it takes more labor to wash it with water than it does to actually peel the cane. But if you have sugarcane that is already clean out of the field and you only have to wash it a little bit quickly to get this kind of look, then you probably may want to consider not to peel it because it takes labor to peel sugarcane. All right, so this is something for you to consider. Should you peel the sugarcane or should you not? All right, we have done so many tests over the years, and we have found it to be that peeling the sugarcane with the manual tools is actually faster than washing the same dirty kind of sugarcane. All right, I'm talking the sugarcane that comes from the field that has a lot of residue on it. it's dirty looking. Okay, so peeling it removes all that, and you're left with just the sweet raw cane. Okay, so reasons why you might want to consider to peel the sugar cane as opposed to not peel it. One of those reasons would be when you peel the sugar cane, you get a consistent color juice. Okay, you get a consistent color every time. So many vendors these days are making what are called fusion cane drinks. Okay, fusion drinks is where they add other ingredients to come up with something that is really delicious or really good looking, like layered colors in the cane juice. So using a base of peeled sugarcane will give you a consistent color to work with to make these recipes. So many vendors, they choose peeled cane juice because if you juice sugarcane with the skin on it, the varieties may not be the same every time, and so the color may not be the same every time, or the taste. Some sugarcane tastes more grassy than others. Some sugarcane has a darker green or a darker red or purple or even brown color depending on the skin. And this can be really difficult to work with if you're a sugarcane juice vendor, because you would want to have a consistency for that returning customer that sees this one recipe, let's say watermelon cane for example. You're going to want to have that same look every time when your customers come back. So if you're using cane with the skin on it, you may not have the same color every time if you are getting your cane from different suppliers. But if you peel the cane, then you can have a more consistent base color for your juice. Okay, this is probably one of the number one reasons why you may want to peel your sugar cane. The second reason that you may want to peel your sugar cane is that peeled sugar cane has a more intense sweetness. So what do I mean by intense sweetness? I mean that when you drink it, it's sweeter. And the reason for that is when you remove the skin, you are removing the grassy aftertaste that is natural to sugarcane. Okay, sugarcane is a sweet grass. And if you juice it with the skin on it, there is an aftertaste of grass. And this grass is really great. Okay, a lot of people, they love that flavor. Some people, they like a more intense, pure flavor. Okay, and so you get that when you peel the sugarcane, you get an intense, pure flavor. Okay, but if you have sugarcane that you juice that has the skin on it, you will have a great flavor and a natural flavor and a healthy juice, but there will be a grassy aftertaste comparatively when you try the two. So if you're new to sugarcane juicing, I would encourage you to do your own tests at home. Peel some sugarcane, same variety, and drink some of it, and juice the same sugarcane with the skin on it and taste it. You'll see that the one with the skin on it is a grassy aftertaste. It has a grassy aftertaste. So many people, they sell sugarcane juice pressed with the skin on it. Australia, for example, nearly 100% of the vendors in Australia, they serve sugarcane juice that has been pressed, that has the skin on it. Okay, one of the main suppliers in Australia named Anthony, he actually invented a sugarcane washing machine that he runs the cane through that washes it and makes it look really beautiful. And so the vendors there get sugarcane that has been washed. And there are commercial sugarcane washing machines on the market that you can find, okay? As well as peeling machines. I make my own brand of peeling machines, automatic peeling machines, and also we have hand tools for manual peeling, okay? So the choice will be up to you ultimately. So you will need to just test. Try sugarcane juice that has been peeled, okay? Try the sugarcane juice from peeled sugarcane, and sugarcane juice that comes with the skin on it. And then you can make up your mind. If you are brand new and just setting up in an area and no one in your area knows about sugarcane juice, do your own market study in your focus groups. Get groups of people together, invite them over and say, hey, do you like this kind of sugarcane juice that's peeled? Or do you like this kind of sugarcane juice that is unpeeled? Now, some vendors, they'll offer both because they have a very diverse customer base. Some customers want it with the skin on it and some don't. All you need, if you have that situation, is to make sure that you get an extra screen filter when you purchase your machine. Make sure you have another filter. So you use one with the peeled sugarcane and one with the unpeeled. That way the container that you're juicing out into will have a consistent taste for your customers. Okay, so I hope this video has been helpful for you today. I have a lot of information to give you, and I'll be uploading more videos. So if you enjoyed this content, your thumbs up is appreciated because YouTube needs that to know to aim people to my page so more people can learn about sugarcane juice. So your thumbs up is appreciated, and share my content with your friends, and I would appreciate that as well. And I will be bringing you more information on everything sugarcane here on the David's Cane Machines channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day wherever you are.